Alright guys, before we jump into this video, I just want to point out that the timeline's kind of messed up with this upload because this video actually took place before the most recent video that I filmed, the one where I compared this XMaxx to my friend Elijah's XMaxx. That actually took place a few days after this, so I just want you to keep in mind the timeline's kind of messed up, but this is the very first time that I tested the new shock caps with the 50 weight fluid, so the heavier shock fluid. So I thought I'd upload it for you guys anyway, so hopefully you guys enjoy.
Alright guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video I have got my Traxxas XMaxx out. Now, most recently I decided to upgrade the shock caps on my Traxxas XMaxx to some aluminum upgrade ones from Traxxas. Now, they were a bit of a pain to put on, at least one of them was, because the fitment was not great. I had to do a little bit of fiddling around to actually get it to fit properly, but when I was switching those shock caps out, I also decided to put a heavier weight shock fluid in. So I went from running the stock 30 weight Traxxas shock fluid to putting in a thicker 50 weight fluid. So I finally brought the thing out today to finally test it out and see how does it handle bashing with the thicker shock fluid. So hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, got the XMaxx. I am running on 8S. And I do have those new shock caps on here. I don't really want to take the body back off, but you can see under there, brand new aluminum shock caps, matching red anodized. I did just replace the differential in this machine, but I feel like it's already clicking. At least the front one already sounds like it's clicking in this machine, which is a bit concerning. But we're gonna run it anyway and see how long it takes to break. Yeah, we gotta go over here, guys. I'm already hearing some clicking. Let's go right through that shelter, bringing it back. Oh, I thought I almost was gonna clip that pole. Ooh, and we landed it. This thing is a monster, guys. I do have that hardened steel pinion on, that 18 tooth. I think it's a GPM pinion. Oh, this is what happens when you're trying to shoot a video with one hand and control the RC with another, and you forget there's a tree right there. You're not really aware of how close I remember there was a tree there, didn't remember how close I was to it. So I've done that many times with RCs now that I've run into trees and stuff. But let's go again. All right, ready guys? How about a bit of a wheelie? Ready, set, go! Ooh, that sounded like something that didn't sound good. Ooh. It seems very well planted, guys. I'm gonna come over here. I kind of want to set a GoPro up, guys. Ready, set, go. Ready, get set, go. Ready, get set, go. Ready? Get set. You guys think about another launch. Ready? Get set. Ready? Get set. Ready, guys? Get set. She definitely is not down on power, that's for sure. Bring it back. Whoa. All right, guys, we're gonna do another launch. Ready? Get set. Go. I didn't get that on camera because it smashed past the camera, but this is a weak point on the XMaxx. If you've watched my video, you'll know this is a rear hub carrier that broke. Simple fix. I've got another one. Actually, you know what? I should check because I might have another one with me. Oh, it broke the, I don't know if it broke. I can't tell if it broke the upper or if that just came out because the pin's out right there. Okay, it looks like the pin might have just come out. Can't tell if it came out or if it broke. But yeah, if you land badly and it's kind of cold out, it's probably about 40 degrees out, this is something that's prone to breaking. They're rear hub carriers, so be aware of that if you're getting XMaxx, guys. If you like the XMaxx, hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. All right, guys, off camera, I actually got that fixed. Actually, in my little kit, you can't really see it, in my little kit over there, I actually had a right rear hub carrier. So, all right, I will be right back with you guys once I get the wheel and tire right back on. Ready? Get set. We did do a little bit of damage, guys. I'll have to show you. Actually, I'll bring it right here real quick. The screws pulled out. This has happened before though, so that pulled out. I unfortunately lost the spacers because I did put some little washers in between here. And that unfortunately pulled through, and it looks like we're missing another one underneath of here for that little reinforcement bit. So I don't want to get into any more crashes. That must have happened during the crash. Ah, the pinion came off. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Later.